This is Martin Brossman. So today I want to demonstrate how to share a message on Google+. You can do it by clicking here and put it in, or you can do it from the home page where you're seeing other people's posts and put it here as well. I'm going to do it from my personal profile so we aren't distracted by the feed that's going on. The way we'll start is I built a message, but I want to explain components of it. Paste this in here. So here's the message I had pre-built, and when I type this, if I put in plus Greg Hire, see how that is? Then it's going to send the message to Greg Hire, and this is going to reference our page on Google+. And then I mention his. Of course, since I paste it, I have to reactivate it. It doesn't just see the reference automatically. Linking the triangle, and I did this to speed things up. Again, I copied and pasted the URL from the links, these hyperlinks, and then I want to reference my business page here, so we'll get that corrected. See how it's showing up? Martin Brossman and Associates. So that is my business page right there. And what we've done is when you put a plus and mention somebody or a thing like this, it's a mention, and they get a notification you've done it, and I'll show you this at the bottom. So you see here it's showing I mentioned Greg Hire personally, then referenced one of our business pages together for our show, then referenced his page called Linking the Triangle, then referenced my business page. All these are put down at the bottom. Now I want to also send it to a circle of people that are in the class. And what I'll do here is I'll say a plus, and then I'll start typing the circle name. You got to know your circle name at least. Look at what shows up here. What shows up here is the community page, which is a closed private page for just people that are part of the class. It shows another one because of SM starts up that I set up. And then it shows the circle I created. That's the one I want to use, the circle. It's a circle of all the people in the class. So I'm going to click on that. And now when I say share, this message will be shared and known available to all these different components that I mentioned in it. Please be careful to not overdo this. People get enough. Make sure it's what I call a welcome interruption. They'd want to be notified. Think this through when you do this. People are already inundated. So let's go ahead and just share this. Now it's being shared. Now, what's nice is there's a record of it. And look at this. See, limited? That limited means it went to limited people. It wasn't public. And so let's go ahead and make another post. And so I'm going to make another post here. And I'm going to copy it and change it a little bit. So now I'm sending a message I really only want private to Greg Hire. So I'll put in here plus Greg Hire, and it goes to him personally. Scroll down and say share, and I just want to give credit. Greg Hire got me really involved in Google Plus quite a while ago. And so do you see how this says limited? So it's limited, and if I click it, it shows only me and him have it. If I see public and click it, it shows me visible to anyone public on the web. And if I share this one, limited, it shows all the people that it went to, which is nice. So you have a nice record of all your correspondence here. And this was just a quick video I wanted to make and showing how to send messages on Google+. Yes, I recommend you should be on it. You should be learning to use it. It is not going away. It is building momentum at a nice, slow, steady speed. I know there are lots of frustration with it, just like everyone. None of these sites do a good job at doing instruction, including Google, on how to use it, but that's what I'm working to help with. So let me hear your comments below, and this is Martin Brossman. You have a great day.